I'm gonna show you how to make charro beans. My way. I have 1 pound of bacon here, and I'm gonna cut it in small. Add the bacon into the pot. This is very popular in the north of Mexico when they turn the grill on and they do carne asada, frijoles, charros, always. I have 3/4 of an onion. And I have 2 jalapeños. This is gonna depend on you, how spicy you want it. If you add 1, 2 or more, and chop it small. It's okay if seeds go there, just try not to put all of them. And I have 4 hocks, smoked hocks. We're gonna cut as much as we can from here. We want the hocks for flavor. You can put the whole thing in there. I'm gonna cut it in little pieces as much as possible so everybody can get a bite. Traditionally, they just add pork hocks, not smoked, and it still has a tons of flavor. If you don't do it with the hocks, it's fine. Bacon has a lot of flavor. Of course, I didn't add any oil to the pot. The bacon is gonna let go a lot. And we're gonna add as well 1/2 cup of chorizo. Look in the description and you're gonna find the link for the chorizo recipe. And 2 cloves of garlic. The onion and the jalapeno. Oh, this smells good already. Now we're gonna add water. 2 cups of water. On high, let it simmer for about 10 minutes. We're seasoning with salt and pepper to taste. Let's add more water before we add in the beans. We need to make sure that this looks like a soup. So try to add enough water. You need a little bit more. And now we add 2 cans of beans, pinto beans. If the chorizo that you use is very red and it gives enough color to the soup, it's fine. Mine is not, so I'm adding paprika. It's 1 tablespoon of paprika. And now we're gonna chop some cilantro. This is about 1/2 cup of cilantro. Take the salt. Let it boil and it's done. If you like this recipe, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the bell.